My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Ford Kuga. This vehicle has done just under 28,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen we can access Bluetooth, navigation, mobile apps, smartphone integration, Wi-Fi, valet mode and ambient light. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.